This cold Moroccan beet salad has converted my husband into a beet eater, which is a huge feat, so let's make it. For this recipe, I use 4 beets and I don't peel them or anything. I just wash them, dry them, then cover them with some olive oil and roast them in the oven in some aluminum foil. So these roasted for about 45 minutes at 400 degrees. It'll depend on the size of your beets, so just do so until they are fork tender. Now at this step, if you have time, I really recommend letting your beets cool all the way. And did I have time? Yes. Did I have patience? Absolutely not. So I did not let them cool. I just started slicing right into them, as you can see here. Anyway, you'll want to dice them up. If you don't like the peel, you could peel them here. It comes off really easily. Then we'll set them aside to cool completely while we make the vinaigrette. And this vinaigrette is just olive oil, salt, pepper, vinegar, and chopped parsley. Everything gets whisked together in a small bowl, and then we use that to dress our beets. We'll toss them together and serve cold. You can chill this in the fridge, and it makes great leftovers. You can serve it later that day, throughout the week, you name it. Enjoy!